Let's review an active auto attendant and some feature tabs. First, you're going to need to log into mytecmsg.com. You're going to enter your auto attendant phone number and your password. Once you have done that, click Login. We're going to be talking about schedules, menus, and announcements. I'm going to click on Schedules. As you can see, this current customer has two schedules that are set up. We have a day schedule and we have a nighttime schedule. The day schedule is color-coded in green and the night schedule is in red. We can see from this schedule that the customer is open Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. They're closed Saturdays and Sundays and after 5 o'clock. So by scrolling up and down, we can see there again they have two schedules. If you choose to add other schedules, you can do so by adding a new period and following the directions. Let's say, for instance, this customer wanted to close for lunch. So what we would do is title this, click OK. Once you've done this, you're going to see another schedule pop up. You're also going to see a little triangle here that shows that there is an error. That's because there's got to be two other steps taken in order to complete this. One is a designated time that they're going to be closed for lunch. So let's just assume this customer wants to be closed from 12 to 1 o'clock. And since their normal work days are Monday through Friday, we would go click into the blocks during that time frame. Make sure you click Apply. Once you've done that, it's going to tell you now that you've got to have a recording that's going to match that lunch menu, letting your customers know that when they call between 12 and 1 o'clock that you're closed and you're out to lunch, to leave a detailed message with their name, and you'll be glad to call them back during normal business hours. Next, click on Announcements. Come down here to add a new announcement. And since we know this customer already currently has 100 through 105, we want to list this as our lunch. Click on Add. So now we have a little red dot here, indicating that now we are ready to do a recording. If you have a microphone hooked up on your PC, you can record the message here. If you do not have the ability to record from your PC, you can also do it from your phone. Simply dial 601-326-6245. You're going to need your auto attendant number as well as your password, and you're also going to need the announcement number that you're wanting to record. In this situation, it would be announcement 106 for the lunch menu. And you can record it there and also check it at that phone number and edit it as you need to. Now, let's look at menus. This customer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different menus set up. We're going to look at the day menu. This customer wanted their auto attendant to be set up with a dial by name directory so that when they call the auto attendant number, in order to get that information, they're going to push 1. If they push 2, they're going to get sales. If they push 3, they're going to get parts. 4, service. 5, they are going to be transferred to an extension 82, which is an employee there. 6, same thing, transferred to a phone, extension 81. And if they wanted to get the operator, they're transferred to the operator, which her extension is 48. Let's look at announcements again. As you can see, this customer has 6 total announcements. At any given time, you can call the phone number that I previously gave you by phone, 601-326-6245, and follow the prompts. You can change any of these. You can record over these as well, and then you can listen to them. But this will also allow you to know which one that you're wanting to change. If you're wanting to change their day menu, when it asks you for that, it's going to prompt you and you would put in 100. If you want your hours and operations changed, you would put in 102. Night would be 101. Parts is 103, sales 104, service 105. You can also come to this page if you chose to delete one of these. Strictly click and you can actually delete that announcement from this page.